Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Amazon price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. For an overview for Amazon, where are we and where are we heading? We are currently in 1, 2 and then 3, 4 and a 5 toward the upside. So this is our wave 3 currently in 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 of course, where we have finished wave 3, 4 and a 5 for wave 3 in the yellow. Meaning you are now in the wave 5 of this wave 3, right? Inside the wave 5, you would like to see 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 as well, right, as an impulse. So if we dive deeper a little bit to check if we have really finished a wave 1, are we in a wave 2 here, and is this finished or not yet? So let's move on the daily, of course, to see much more insights. So as you can see, if we are in a wave 3 finished here, you got your wave 4, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Very nice. Impulse finished wave 1. Meaning currently, of course, this choppy wave, which it's not impulsive at all, meaning it's a W, X, and a Y for a wave B, and then looking for a wave C for a wave 2 here as an A, B, C expanding flat, and then moving for higher later on. Let's dive deeper inside this area as well. As you can see here, we have potentially finished now 5 waves, right? So now this is the scenario where we start, okay, we start to see some question marks. Did we finish a running flat, which is a rare case scenario, but not for the stock market, especially with the news of today that we just got about inflation rate, a very good number, very bullish number in long term, of course. I'm not saying like from now, but those are very good numbers, especially for Amazon, for example, because the inflation rate is moving down, which is, of course, going to increase the consumer price, and also like the consuming amount in the market. So that would, of course, be very, very psychologically, very nice for Amazon. So what are the potential? We finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Potentially, we're going to re-estimate, of course, even much deeper. But what if we finished 5 waves, failing to take the low, turning in and expanding flat very nicely as a running flat? Because anyway, if you have realized, the target for an expanding flat are already truncated, are already in a running flat. So imagine, because of course the wave B has very much overshooted. It was not supposed to be a wave B. It was supposed to be, of course, an impulse toward the upside, and the interruption of the trade wars and etc. has, of course, transformed this into a WXY, and now currently we're moving into a wave C. However, this wave C targets are even truncated, meaning it's gonna turn it into a running flat soon or later. But is it soon or later? This is a question. Now, if we dive deeper, of course, inside this wave on the 4-hour chart here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. The wave 5 is not finished yet. I would say, as you can see, it might be a ending diagonal. So here, let's zoom in, of course, even much more. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and as you can see, 3 waves as a zigzag. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Well, it can be finished. Let's even dive deeper to get more information on the 1-hour chart. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Interesting. No, I believe still have one. Look how tricky it is your wave 4. A, B, and a C. Yeah, it's an expanding flat or running flat again. The expanding. It loves the market loves like running flats in stock markets. I don't know why, but yeah. It's an expanding or running flat in a wave 4 and looking for wave 5, still blue box still needed to be reached. 188, 186. Don't forget that the numbers that we got today are perfect. It doesn't mean that we are bullish from now. Okay, we still need to finish the structure and then moving for higher. This is the idea. So in target, of course, 188, 186, finishing, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Anyway, we're gonna move towards the upside, because in case we are in a bigger move toward the downside, regardless to the beautiful news that we got about inflation rate today, we're gonna have 1, 2. Yeah, so your wave 2 has to move for higher, yeah, to continue in a recession, in case we are in a recession, guys. So I would say the answer, if we are in a recession, yes or no, is in this area. If we move up and continue bullish because of the beautiful data that we got today, therefore we're done. There is no recession. There is continuation for the market. The clouds are gone. It's sunny again, and then we're moving for higher. If we got 3 waves for a wave 2 and continuation toward the downside, then of course the storm is getting stronger with a very strong wave 3 toward the downside. That was it for Amazon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.